Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is on the 29th November, Tuesday friends. Okay, we are also going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty as usual. And before we proceed, let's listen to our opening music, without which the stocks really don't perform. So friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. So in today what happened exactly is, friends, simple. I'll show you a few things here. Let me adjust this area. Okay. So what has happened is Bank Nifty and Nifty both gave a gap down. Nifty went ahead and filled the gap instantaneously in first three candles. We are looking at 5 minutes candle each. Okay. Bank Nifty took quite some time. It went ahead and filled the gap at around 12 o'clock. Nifty filled that gap at 9:15, it's 9:30 itself, and made a top. Okay, at around 145 there was a top made. This was Nifty's all-time high, and also after that there was some kind of profit booking that we could see, and a little downward momentum, which is quite normal, friends. Bank Nifty, from the place where it started, upward momentum followed by sideways momentum for some time, around 2.5 3 hours. Again upward momentum. Did it make a high? The answer is no. Here it formed something called a head and shoulder pattern, and at breakdown of this head and shoulder, this is your profit, this is your target. It made this target, again went up, friends, and there was profit booking again. This was the story of Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you remember, in yesterday's video I have told you that we are bullish both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so targets on Nifty and Bank Nifty are met. Talking about yesterday's stock, buy stock, see, it started somewhere here. It is Sun Pharma, friends. It started somewhere here, straight to the target achieved. Did we get a chance to enter? Probably yes, probably no. Again it gave us an entry here, somewhere here. There are good entries here. See, at this particular support level you can enter, and from there it again went towards the target, not exactly the top, but then good amount, almost to the top, friends. Coming to the sell stock, we had ITC in our basket as sell. We were talking about this trend line to break. Did it break? 9:15 candle, yes, it broke the trend line. Any entry here gave us this kind of a target somewhere here or here. This could be our target, which was met. Again another top, again sell side. We could have made good money here as well, friends. Now coming to Nifty again, Bank Nifty and Nifty again. See, friends, the place where Bank Nifty started, what is going to happen tomorrow is what we'll discuss. But before that, let's discuss how things work today. So this is your head and shoulder pattern. Okay, actually if you look at it, this was the breakdown, but there was a retest kind of situation here, and immediately this was your target. From the target we can notice one more thing. I'll show you that thing, and that's when you will be able to easily relate to what I am trying to say. So from the bottom to the top, if we are drawing a Fibo, okay, we are entering exactly at 50% level, friends. This was our entry point. Okay, from here, did Bank Nifty even look at this levels again, the 9:15 candle which was formed? No, it did not look at this levels again throughout the day, straight upwards. How about Nifty? Same was the situation in Nifty, friends. See, this was your bottom, swing bottom is what I'm trying to say. If from this bottom, if I'm drawing a Fibo till this top, okay, It was at its first bullish level. It was not even at the 50% level. And that is the reason it went straight up to the target, friends. In the first 3 or 4 candles itself, we were able to achieve the gap filling. See, when we are at 50% levels, we are not at super bullish levels as in where we are at 23.6 levels. Okay. So in yesterday's video, I also talked about giving a buy on Nifty, and if you are looking for sell position, that's when you should be choosing Bank Nifty, is what I told you in the yesterday's video. If you have not seen that video, please go ahead and see the video. It is very informative and there are so many learnings that you will get from that video as well, friends. Coming to the view tomorrow. Now, simple, friends, look at this. There is a kind of a breakout situation here in Bank Nifty again. This is your resistance line. Okay. And second thing, now if I am drawing a fibbo from the recent bottom to the recent top, again we are at the same situation, friends, 50%. If we start at any small dip here, we can create buy positions for first target being this, second target, and final target will be somewhere above this, friends. Coming to Nifty, again the same situation. I am going to draw a fibbo from today. Okay, let's delete the previous fibbo. See, same situation. This time Bank Nifty is a little low. It is not at the super bullish level, it is at this level. So will we expect this kind of momentum? The answer is no. We will expect a smaller momentum than this. Okay, but it will again go ahead and make another top, is what I believe, friends. Now, when will we create sell positions? Very important point, friends. Don't forget this point, because there is quite a chance that when it is at the top, it cannot continue to go up and up and up and up. So there is a possibility of kind of a sell situation. Okay, so this is where we can create sell positions, friends. Okay, at this level, if we are selling, we'll sell at a retest. Okay, it has to go down and a retest. And will we go ahead and try to achieve these targets? The answer is no. This is our first target, this zone. Okay, this zone. There was a symmetric triangle pattern that happened today. Okay, this is your symmetric triangle pattern. So this pattern will also act like a support. So we will try to achieve the bottom of this triangle itself first. And we are selling it here at this levels. Look at these levels, friends. This levels, which is 43,225. We will go ahead and try to achieve only 128 or 130, friends. Okay, not anything below that, because currently the market is in a uptrend. So it can go ahead and come little down, trap some sellers, and then start going up again. And that is what we are going to capture. Coming to Nifty, when will we create sell positions? Now to this point, friends, people will say that this candle is completely broken by this trend line. This is a wrong trend line. Yes, I agree. Technically speaking, this trend line that I have drawn is wrong. But in my previous videos also, I have already told you that usually the trend line that is formed at around 9:15 or 3:30, if there is a candle formed like this or even like this, okay, I would go ahead and ignore that one candle, friends. Okay, I'll consider that as a wick. There is quite possibility that there is only one person buying somewhere here, but because there was some trade that happened, the candle has to reflect that trade, and that is the reason it is showing it here. Okay, so that is the reason we are ignoring that particular trade, and we are not ignoring the trend line as in full. Okay, I hope you understood the logic why I am cutting the trend line straight. Coming to Nifty, situation will be similar, friends. If I remove all this, see from here, if we are drawing a trend line, okay, to this point, we can create sell just below this if there is a retest kind of situation only. Okay, and that's when we'll go ahead and target this area first, which is 18,640. Okay, Next target would be 18,608, and the final target would be somewhere here 18,582 friends. Anything below that we are not expecting. In sell side, we are still bullish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope I made myself very clear here friends. And before we continue with the buy stock and sell stock, if you are still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell notification, and also leave a comment friend, so that I will understand which part of the video is what you are not understanding or it is not clear, so that I can elaborate on it and put more stress and efforts on those areas friends. Coming to buy stock, see, now you will say that I have not done enough research. The buy stock is again Sun Pharma friends. Reasons, I'll give you the reasons. See, first and foremost reason is there is a clear trend line break here. Okay, and then after 3 is what we fell down. Okay, and that fall was because of Nifty, not the weakness of our stock. Second reason, look at this. This is a rounding bottom. Now look at the research friends. This rounding bottom was not formed here. Okay, yesterday I cannot tell you about this rounding bottom. Third reason, this was your inverted head and shoulder, which will act like a support. And fourth and final reason friends, again this reason will not be there in yesterday's video because this reason got formed today itself. So if I am drawing a Fibonacci from the recent bottom that was formed today till the recent top that was also formed today, we are at took rejection at 50% level first. You see this candle, and the second time we took rejection at 38.2 levels itself. So there is a very high chance of it to go upwards. I hope you understood the reason why we are creating buy position in Sun Pharma here. And coming to the sell stock for the day, that would be ITC. Again you will say that I didn't do enough research. I understand, but look at the reasons again friends. There is a clear breakdown of this trend line. Okay, followed by an attempt to retest. Okay, did it retest completely till here? The answer is no. Now the second reason, this got formed today. This is called double top friends. Yes, you guessed it right. It is the kind of logo that we are running here in this corner. Okay, so any breakdown of this can simply achieve this kind of a target here friends. So we are waiting for this to be broken, or we can go ahead and create sell positions and keep our stop losses here friends. So I hope you understood the logic of buy on Sun Pharma, sell on ITC, and you understood the reasons that got formed today, not yesterday. Okay, yesterday we gave it for a sell with different reasons. Today also they are in the same category because of few reasons that got formed today friends. I hope you understood the logic behind that. And third and final reason on ITC is, if I am drawing a Fibonacci here from the top to the bottom, see this is the bottom, mind it. Okay, we are facing rejection multiple times at what levels? 50% levels. Just in case if you see ITC going ahead and opening above this levels or going further above, that's when we can ignore the stock. This is exactly what I told you even yesterday friends. Okay, I hope you liked the video, and we are still bullish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And that brings us to the end of the video friends. We will close our video with our closing music. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable Tuesday friends.